Hello guys, what's up? How are you? I think you are well. This video I am showing you how to add Facebook chat box in your website. So first go to your page and click one setting. Okay, then click left side messaging. Then add messenger to your website. Get started. Next, if you want, you can change this by here, but I don't want to change this. Okay, then next, and you can also change color. uh, okay, I choose this color. Okay, then next, I will install this code myself and then copy this, go to your website and install plugin. And hit enter. Insert header and footer. Insert headers and footer. I already installed this, and I go to this plugin. Already install it. Okay. Enter this code in footer and save. Then I finished this and done. Done. And I want to check my website. Yes, my messenger is open. Okay guys, I think you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.